This is Shovel's 85 Ford E250. Has a Pathfinder 4x4 conversion. That was basically what Pathfinder did. Was they had Dodge, Chevy, and Ford ship their vans directly to the Pathfinder factory for conversions. Pathfinder had to warranty the 4x4 items on the front end, but all the transmission, engine, everything else was warranted by the manufacturer. This does look so freaking cool though. Has a big solar panel up on the roof and a beefy receiver hitch on the back, and an inverter right here. I think that's an inverter, charger inverter. Oh, there's an inverter right there. $35 inch tires on it. Dana 60 in back, Dana 44 in front, all 8 load. So it has a new second gas tank too. I mean, that is a nice looking truck. It has an edelbrock carburetor on it. All the parts in here are like looking nice and clean. Has a new master cylinder and power brake booster. Yeah, we'll crawl under here and look at the front end. You can see that they put on leads on this one. Pathfinder also made it with coil springs, but people don't like how they ride. But I'd rather have the leaf spring one anyhow. Looks like he has a transmission, aftermarket rear end cover on it too. We'll crawl under the back and see what else it did. I could see from the back that they cut out part of the subframe. So we'll go around here and look at that. You can see this is cut out on the subframe right there, I think for clearance for the rear end. Yeah, clearance for the rear end drive shaft. This part's cut out, otherwise this flange would go all the way across. That's headers. Looks like stainless, maybe stainless or aluminized exhaust. C6 transmission. I can't remember if it was a new process 231 or 242 transfer case. It cut for the shifter, that's cut in there. Has a new gas tank there too, and switch valve. Stacked up 2 mufflers side by side. That's for the space. That's probably a really good idea to do it that way too. Want to start it up for a minute? Sounds pretty nice, man. I just wanted to get scored. Yeah, that's what it looks like. Want to pop the side door? Oh, side door's open. And the interior needs work. There's a funky, like pennies embedded in glass or liquid resin. I mean, it's campable right now, especially with the power and stuff. That'd be good enough for now. But here, shut the door. It's a Texas truck. Now it's in Florida. It's clean. I didn't even really show the frame underneath it. Body and frame solid. I mean, even in Florida, we're by the coast in Florida, east of Orlando, and usually they rust up from the top down. Oh, there's the plate for the transfer case. Maybe I can get some numbers off of it, but it's super clean underneath here. But that's the 85 Pathfinder E250 351 Windsor C6 Auto, and it rides nice till. That's what surprised me. But hope you're happy with it.